I'm thankful for family because they support me and they help me solve my problems.
I'm grateful for all the good things in my life, such as the sun, because it makes me
I'm
happy.
thankful for friends because they're always there for me.
I am thankful there are rhinos because people are using their horns as money, and that's how the rhinos are dying.
I'm thankful to have hope because it's something that gives you a reason to wake up to be ready for tomorrow. I am thankful to be free because there are some people in the world who are in prison.
I am beyond blessed, period.
I'm thankful for having food because there's some kids starving to death. I have a lot to be thankful for, so do you.
Today, I'm just grateful for everything. The end.